I repeat, Deriv synthetic indices are on the main trading view. This is my trading view. I believe you can see it over here, and this is my gold chart. All right, and if I go to my this watch list, you can see I have volatility 25 index right here, and this is it. As I've opened it, you can see constant volatility of 25% with a tick every 2 seconds. That is volatility 25. I can go ahead and also locate boom for you. I have it over here, boom 1000. It's right here. Okay, this is boom 1000. You can see it right here, boom 1000. And if I go again, I can locate crash 1000 for you guys. This is a good news if you are synthetic indices trader. Finally, we have synthetic indices on the main TradingView app. Finally, we have Deriv synthetic indices on the main TradingView app. You don't have to go to this site to start afresh, and no, you just have to go to your TradingView and locate it. Now, my job in this video is to show you exactly how you can have access to this, and it is very, very simple, and I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's get right into it. Good. So let's use other volatility assets as example in this case, because I've added this crash and volatility 25 index already. So I'm going to just, out of anywhere, I'm just going to just start typing. Let's say I want crash, let's say crash 900. I'm just going to type the crash like this, and after typing, I'll just add this underscore to it, and you can see they all popped up, and you can see Deriv attached to them over here. Now, if you don't have an account with Deriv and you don't know what this whole Deriv synthetic index is about, there's a link in the video description. Click on that link and register, have an account with Deriv, and let's trade synthetic indices together. Synthetic indices are not affected by the news in the market. Whatever news that is going around in the market does not affect synthetic indices. Anyway, I'll talk much about that later. All right, so this is crash 1000, crash 600, crash 150, crash 900, crash 300, crash 500. So anyone at all you want, you can just click on it and it's going to load up right here, as you can see right here. Now let's also try with volatility indices, another volatility indices. So let's say volatility 75. So I'm going to type volatility. All right, volatility, then I'll just type underscore again, and if I type, you can see the volatilities popped up right here. Guys, this is pretty cool. I now have access to synthetic indices on main TradingView. That's crazy, guys. So let's select this volatility 75, and yes guys, it popped up right here. Now let's say I show you something really quick over here. All right, this is my main Deriv NT5 that I've been using. Okay, and this is currently volatility 25 I'm dealing with. You can see trades that I've taken on this in the past. Okay, you can see some trades I've taken on this. Anyway, so for now, instead of me going to this website to just do my analysis, I can go to my TradingView. Since I have access to other assets like gold and stuff over here, this is BTC, I can just come here, do my analysis. I don't have to be switching between this TradingView and the other TradingView. I just have to be on this one screen and do literally everything that I want to do. Okay, I can just come, if I want to trade Solana, I can just click on Solana over here, then it popped up. I can just tap on GBP USD. If I want to trade it, it will pop up over here. And the same way, if I want to trade volatility 25 index, which is exactly the markets I trade these days very well, I can just click on it and it's going to show up right here. So guys, take advantage of this, use it, and now let me tell you, you don't have any excuse not to trade synthetic indices. This is the time to trade synthetic indices. If you want a full video on how to go about synthetic indices stuff, just leave a comment below and I'll dedicate my time to do that for you and make sure you get the hold of this. This is a very good time to be alive and be trading synthetic indices. Check out the link in the video description. Sign up today and let's get this running. And if you need any assistance, you can reach me on any social media platform or even on WhatsApp, you're going to have my contact details in the video description. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Share this video in particular, share it with all your audience, share it with your family, friends, everybody. Go spread the good news. And once again, to access this, just type whatever name. So if it is step index that you need, you can just come here and just go ahead, type step underscore, then you type index. All right, index, and you're going to have them pop up right here. Guys, this is so far the best I've seen, I mean, happening right now. Like I said, this is the best time to be alive and to be trading synthetic indices with Deriv. Check out the link in the video description and get started right now. Of course, like I said, if you need any help or anything, just don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy, and yes, don't forget to share this. Like, don't forget to share it with people. Like it, subscribe, like, do whatever you have to do to make sure this video gets to a lot of people, right?